Hey everyone, welcome to my channel, and so today's vlog will be about cooking, and I will be sharing you a delicious recipe of how you can make ramen right at your home. And I will be showing you how exactly you can make a ramen right at your home with this one secret ingredient. And now I've divided the video into 4 parts, which will be easier for you to follow. And of course I will be writing down the recipes down below in the description and the quantities as well. And I won't be talking too much in this video, so let's just jump right in. So that's it for today's vlog, and hope you all liked it. Hope you'll be trying at your home, and drop me one of these if you liked the video, and subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you this Friday. See you soon.